Hey guys, today we have some new survival gadgets that you must have before heading towards outdoor. So let's begin. Zune Lotoo Smilodon Shovel, a heavy-duty survival gadget designed for the modern adventurer. Featuring a patented key angles lock system for quick one-handed operation, this compact shovel ensures swift rescue during emergencies, enhancing safety in camping, off-roading, backpacking, and hiking. Crafted from martensitic steel, the durable tactical shovel head boasts exceptional strength, resisting rust in salt water for 25 days and remaining unbroken in extreme cold. Packed with all-in-one multi-tools including an axe blade, bottle opener, survival whistle, and more, it offers versatility for various outdoor tasks. With an upgraded aircraft-grade aluminum handle and a portable design, this solid little shovel is an indispensable addition to any survival toolkit, promising reliability and convenience on every adventure. Meet the Venom Gaiter V2, the ultimate survival gadget for fearless exploration in snake-infested terrains. Engineered with the Fang Shield internal membrane, this upgraded gaiter boasts unparalleled penetration resistance against venomous snake bites, providing unmatched safety during your wilderness missions. The improved outer fabric ensures a lightweight and tear-resistant design with enhanced noise suppression, while the new calf panel contours to your leg shape, reducing friction for maximum comfort. Featuring military-grade ankle domes and a triple closure system, including YKK zip and Velcro, the gaiter stays securely in place. The Fang Shield membrane, tested on various Australian snake species, guarantees top-notch protection. Whether hiking, camping, or facing unexpected challenges, the multi-mighty survival bracelet is your compact, reliable companion for conquering the great outdoors with confidence. This is a survival gadget that consolidates 13 essential tools on your wrist. Designed for the modern adventurer, this lightweight bracelet is your everyday carry tool, featuring a twist-to-light mini emergency flashlight for navigating in the dark. Crafted from high-hardness tungsten alloy, the built-in glass breaker ensures a swift escape in emergencies by shattering windows effortlessly. Unlock the buckle to reveal a versatile toolset, including a knife, saw blade, bottle opener, and small wrench, empowering you in any situation. Introducing the THYRM Cell Vault XL, a robust and waterproof storage solution designed to safeguard your mission essentials, with added space for items like 18650 batteries and SD cards. Building upon the success of the original Cell Vault, this XL version offers expanded capacity, ensuring you have ample room for critical gear. Whether you're on a mission or exploring the great outdoors, the Cell Vault XL provides reliable protection for your essential items. Its attachable design allows for versatile carry options, ensuring accessibility when you need it most. If you want a survival tool that redefines bushcraft and camping experience, get yourself the Weyland Outdoor Settler's Tool. Ideal for camping, hiking, backpacking, and bushcrafting, the Settler's Tool is a must-have for those who appreciate EDC and primitive cabin building in the wild. The Scotch-Eye wood auger hand drill simplifies hole creation with its Scotch-Eye design, allowing easy turning for precise drilling. The tool doesn't stop there, it doubles as a peg marker, featuring a cutting point for crafting pegs of matching size. Compact and efficient, this camping survival gear is perfect for your bushcraft backpack, offering a superior alternative to manual primitive tools. Plus, it comes complete with a leather sheath for easy and secure transport. UFO Reel. It's an unidentified fishing object by Rodless Reel, a groundbreaking survival gadget for anglers on the go. Crafted with a complete metal design featuring an anodized aluminum spool and core, stainless steel handle, 35 ball bearings, and hardware, this tiny rodless fishing reel is a pocket-sized powerhouse ready to catch big fish anywhere. Boasting a super durable and indestructible construction, the UFO reel ensures a lifetime of reliability. Its compact, full ambidextrous design folds down to a mere 3-inch puck, effortlessly fitting into your pocket, making it the ultimate survival tool for those seeking portability without compromising on performance in the great outdoors. Say hello to the Fith Ops 12-gauge triple arm, a next-level survival gadget constructed from robust 6061 aluminum. Designed for ultimate security, this device features a spring-loaded firing mechanism and a trip trigger that, when disturbed, discharges with a 12-gauge flashbang or .22 adapter. Compatible with various ammunition, including 12-gauge power flashbangs, 22 cal CCI power loads, flares, and pepper gas, it caters to diverse survival scenarios. The 2022 model, with its unique design of 2 curved and 2 straight sides, accommodates the new .22 adapter, offering enhanced functionality. The offset center of the .22 power loads is intentional, ensuring optimal performance. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to stay updated on the newest tech releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.